Verifying your Shutterstock account is essential to ensure full access to all features, including uploading content as a contributor and downloading media. Here's how to verify your Shutterstock account. Sign up or log in. Go to Shutterstock and either sign up for a new account or log into your existing account. Email verification. After creating an account, Shutterstock will send you an email with a verification link. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. This step is crucial for ensuring account security and receiving notifications. Phone number verification. If required, add your phone number in the account settings section. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code to verify your phone number. This adds another layer of security to your account. Contributor verification. If you want to become a Shutterstock contributor, go to the contributor dashboard. Complete the required steps, such as submitting personal information, a valid ID, and tax information. Wait for approval from Shutterstock, which may take a few days.